The 2011 E-Class. Some predict the future. We prefer to build it. The Mercedes E-Class is an impressive ride, very smooth and punchy. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, DVD system, cruise control, Bluetooth, anti-theft security system, MP3 player, passenger airbag, power windows, heated front seats, remote power door locks, fog lamps, speed proportional power steering, cargo area light, center console, tachometer, daytime running lights, memorized settings for 3 drivers, rear view camera, remote window operation, engine immobilizer. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.